Breaking news! The world is changing, and the need for skilled leaders has never been greater.
This is our time.
This is our journey.
You have set the stage for us.
We've been watching and learning.
We are ready to step up.
At Harlandale ISD, our students are preparing to meet tomorrow's challenges head-on. The stage has been set, and through dedication, innovation, and hands-on learning, we are ready.
We built the skills.
We have learned through experience.
Grown through challenges.
We have prepared for this moment.
From healthcare to technology, education to industry, we are ready to lead, to create, ready to make a difference.
The world needs problem solvers.
The world needs innovators.
The world needs
Skilled leaders.
And now the world needs us.
We are Harlandale.
We are Harlandale.
We are Harlandale.
We are Harlandale ISD.
We are CTE.